Hello, Primary 5. Today we will talk about Unit 3. It is about the soil, and our lesson is talking about soil components. Before we recognize the components of soil, we have to know what is the soil. Soil is a thin non-compacted layer which covers Earth's crust. A non-compacted layer, which means is the upper loose layer which covers the Earth's crust. Now we will recognize the soil components. The soil is composed of different pieces of rock, water, air, gravel, salt, and clay. And the most important part of the soil is the humus. And humus is the decayed organic remains which mixed with the other components of our soil and give the soil the dark color because these decayed remains are black or dark brown color. So the soil which cover our earth crust have different components like humus, it is the decayed organic remains, and pieces of rock, water, air, gravel, silt, and clay. What is the importance of soil? Number one, soil gives the plant minerals and nutrients to grow. Then, the animals feed on the plants that depend on soil to grow. Soil is representing the shelter of some living organisms, some small living organisms like earthworms and spiders. Finally, humans can eat the plants and animals that depend on soil to grow. The soil have different layers. It's the horizon A, B, and C. So the soil layers are three layers. Number one, or horizon A, the topsoil, which contain the roots of plants, leaves of plants, humus, and small living organisms. Horizon B, or the lower soil layers, it's under the top layer and doesn't contain much humus. And the sea horizon is the rocky layer which contains pieces of rock, and under these pieces there are massive solid rocks. Let's talk about soil erosion. What is the meaning of erosion? Erosion is the result of breaking down of rocks by several factors. So the rocks or the soil we have is broken down, then it's eroded. This erosion happened by factors like the running water, winds, and changing of temperature. That is the meaning of erosion, and this is our lesson today. Thank you.